In parallel plate capacitor, there are two plates, two conducting plates having equal charges but with opposite sign. Means the first plate having positive charges and the second plate having negative charges, but the amount of charge on both plate are equal. Means first plate have plus q charges total, and so the second plate has minus q charges. The charge density on the first plate, surface charge density on the first plate is plus sigma, then the surface charge density on the second plate is minus sigma. This is the surface charge density. Means charge per unit area is what? Sigma on both plate. Both plates are having equal area. So A is the area of plates of this capacitor, and they are separated by some distance that is equal to d. So d is the distance between two plates, distance between two parallel plates. This system is called parallel plate capacitor. Now, due to this capacitor, there is some electric field. So we are going to find the electric field in three regions. First region is to the left of this first plate. So electric field in region 1 is equal to what? Electric field at this point is generated by this positive charges and due to this negative charges. Due to this positive charges, the electric field is in outward direction. So it is in this direction, E plus. And electric field due to negative charges in inward direction. Inward means towards this negative charge. So it is in this direction. Both are having equal magnitude. The electric field due to positive charge is equal to what? The total charge, total electric field at this point is equal to what? Both are in opposite direction. So you have to subtract both this E plus and E minus. Electric field magnitude due to this positive charges is equal to what? Sigma by 2 epsilon naught. And due to this negative charges also sigma by 2 epsilon naught. So that is equal to what? 0. So electric field to the left of first plate is equal to what? 0 everywhere. Now we'll find the electric field in the second region, that is the right of this second plate. The electric field in region 2 is equal to, here the electric field is due to positive charges, that is in outward direction. So going outward from this positive charge, that is equal to E plus in this direction. And electric field due to this negative charges is inward, means it is towards the negative charge, that is equal to E minus. So the resultant electric field is equal to what? Both are in opposite direction. So you have to subtract them. So E plus is equal to sigma by 2 epsilon naught and E minus is equal to also sigma by 2 epsilon naught. We know the electric field due to plane sheet, that is equal to what? Sigma by 2 epsilon naught. So that is equal, total electric field is equal to what? 0. The electric field in the region 1 and 2 is 0. Now we are going to calculate electric field in between the plates. The electric field between the plates is equal to what? The electric field due to positive charges is outward direction and electric field due to negative charges is inward direction. So it is towards the negative charge and going away from the positive charge. Both are in same direction. So resultant electric field is addition of both this, electric field due to positive charge and electric field due to negative charge, right? So total electric field is equal to what? That is equal to sigma by 2 epsilon naught plus sigma by 2 epsilon naught. So that is equal to sigma by epsilon naught. So electric field in between the plates is sigma by epsilon naught. Now we know the relation between electric field and potential difference, that is equal to electric field is equal to potential difference per unit displacement. So the potential difference between two plates, potential difference between two plates is delta V, that is equal to E into D. The electric field is equal to sigma by epsilon naught and distance between plate is D. So potential difference between two plates is E sigma D by epsilon naught. Now the capacitance of this capacitor is equal to what? This is the system of conductor. So the capacitance, formula of capacitance is magnitude of charge divided by potential difference. Magnitude of charge is equal to sigma and potential difference is sigma D by epsilon naught. Right? Now, what is sigma? Sigma is equal to, you have to take this epsilon naught in upward, and sigma is equal to total charge by total area. So QQ cancel, so that is equal to, you have to take this A in upward in numerator, so A epsilon naught by D. This is the formula of capacitance of parallel plate capacitor. This QQ gets cancelled and this A will go in numerator. So capacitance of parallel plate capacitor is equal to what? A epsilon naught by D, where D is the distance between two plates and A is the surface area of the plates. So this is the capacitance of parallel plate capacitor, and the electric field is in between the plates only. So that is equal to sigma by epsilon naught. You have to remember this formula, and this theory is very important for your examination.